Hi, everyone! Today, we're sharing a video showing how to install Dazuma's Smart Fan LED lights. The product includes one large accessory bag, one bag of product-specific screw accessory kit containing long mounting screws, short mounting screws, and screw sleeves, one remote control manual, instruction manual for one smart fan with LED light, one smart fan with LED light, First, remove the two mounting screws from the top of the product and set them aside safely. Remove the metal plate securing the cross-shape component on the top cover. Place the metal mounting plate for the cross product where you plan to install it. Then mark and drill the holes. Then insert the screws from the product screw kit into the two holes one by one. Next, align the metal plate for securing the cross-shaped product with the screw sleeve and position it properly while inserting the long screws from the product accessory kit into the screw sleeve. Next, connect the power cord at the top of the product to your push-and-quick connect terminal. Next, place the product cover back on and reinstall the two mountings. Screws from the top of the product that you removed earlier. Also, use the two short screws from the product's screw kit to secure it in place. Product installation complete. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.